Hello, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of growing strawberries in your very own home garden. I'm Agrabee, and I'm excited to guide you through every step of cultivating these juicy, sweet gems right at home. Get ready to experience the joy of picking your own fresh strawberries. Let's get started. Before we start digging in the dirt, let's talk about the exciting array of strawberry varieties available. We'll discuss different types, such as June-bearing and ever-bearing, and guide you in selecting the best strawberries for your garden. Strawberries thrive in the right environment. Join us as we explore the ideal location for your strawberry patch, considering factors like sunlight, soil drainage, and proximity to water sources. Healthy soil is essential for productive strawberry plants. We'll delve into soil testing, amendments, and the proper soil structure to create a nutrient-rich foundation for your strawberries to flourish. It's time to get those strawberry plants in the ground. Learn the best practices for planting strawberries, including spacing, depth, and the strategic placement of runners. We'll ensure your plants have the best start possible. Strawberries need love and attention to thrive. Discover the care routines that will keep your plants healthy, from proper watering and mulching to fertilizing and protecting them from pests. Did you know that strawberries propagate through runners? We'll show you how to encourage and manage these little plant offspring to expand your strawberry patch and increase your harvest. Let's explore the fascinating journey from blossom to berry. Learn about strawberry pollination, the role of bees, and how to ensure each blossom turns into a plump, delicious berry. The moment you've been waiting for: harvesting your homegrown strawberries. We'll guide you on how to pick ripe strawberries, and then we'll share some delectable ways to enjoy these sweet treats. As the growing season comes to an end, it's time to plan for the future. We'll discuss overwintering strategies, proper plant care during the colder months, and how to set the stage for a successful strawberry season next year. And there you have it, your complete guide to growing strawberries in your home garden. By following these steps, you'll soon be harvesting your own juicy, sweet strawberries that are bursting with flavor. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration and knowledge. Happy strawberry growing! Subscribe. Like. Previous video. Next video.